Is your 2019-2021 Toyota Corolla key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. First, confirm the issue isn't just a temporary glitch by trying the spare fob. If that works, it's time for a battery replacement. Now for the open case problem. These fobs are notoriously difficult to open. Locate the small seam running along the fob's edge. Insert a plastic pry tool or a guitar pick into this seam. Gently twist and work your way around the fob to separate the two halves. Avoid using metal tools like screwdrivers, as they can easily scratch or break the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, with the positive side up, and carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Before snapping the case back together, clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab to ensure a good connection. Reassemble the fob, pressing firmly until the case is fully closed. Test the fob. If it still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation, ensure the contacts are clean, and try resetting the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. If problems persist, consult your Toyota Service Center for diagnostics. They may offer free diagnostics as part of routine maintenance.